Hi guys. In today's video, I'm showing you how to enable two-factor authentications on TikTok. The process is straightforward and effortless, and the benefit of enabling it is your account will be more secure and no one can log in your account if he know about your password and email without your permission. So let's start the process. Open your TikTok application. After it opens, you can see your profile icon on the bottom right. Tap on this, and here you can see 3 lines on the top right. Tap on these lines and tap on the last option, settings and privacy. And here you can see the option on the third number, security and permissions. Tap on it. And here is the option two-step verification. It's already on in my TikTok account, but I will show you how can you turn it on if this is off on your account. Now you will see 4 options: phone number, email, authenticator, and password. Here you will verify your phone number by tapping on it because my number is already added. So I will see these options: update, turn off, and cancel. But if your number is not added, then you have to write your phone number, and TikTok will send a verification code on your number, and you have to write that verification code, and then your number will be verified on TikTok, and the two-factor authentication will be on. The next one is email. You can see this is off, so I am tapping on it, and here I have to write my email address, and after writing, I need to tap on this option, send code. Then TikTok will send a verification code on my email, and the same as we talk about mobile number. I have to write the verification code which TikTok send to me on my email, and then my email will be verified on TikTok, and two-factor authentication will be turned on. And the third option is authenticator. It'll be different from above too. And here are a few requirements. You have to download the application. Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator. You have to copy this QR code, or you can also scan it. Just for example, I will copy it. Now tap on the option next. And here when you will open your Google Authenticator application, then they will give you a code, and you have to write that code in this TikTok app. Then your two-factor authenticator will be enabled. Now let's move to our final method, and the last one is password. Tap on it. And here you have to write your password on TikTok, then your two-factor authentication will be turned on. So with the help of this, you can make your account more secure. So it was the fundamental way by which you can make your TikTok account more secure.